Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to install a dash cam in a car, but it's not the supercar. It's a reasonably priced car.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this is my garage, and that is, of course, Adam.
Yes.
And this is his wife's Hyundai.
Hyundai Genesis Coupe.
Hyundai. I can never say that damn... Why is that word such a problem for me?
Today, Junior!
It's a Genesis Coupe. We'll just go with that. It is actually a manual transmission, though, which is kind of cool.
And it's rear-wheel drive.
And it's rear-wheel drive.
And it has a limited slip diff in the back.
So it's actually kind of legit, although it does have some...
Paint issues. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that. We're going to install an AZ Denim dash cam in this car because they're reasonably priced, as is this car, but it offers good protection. So they're available on our website, normalguysupercar.com. Go check it out. Use the code NGS10, and it'll take off 10% of this dash cam. Yeah, we can actually do that on this dash cam. So check that out. We're going to install it in this car, and it should be pretty much just like every other dash cam install we've ever done. So here's what's really cool about this dash cam. It's actually a 3-channel dash cam. So you have front, rear, and then interior, which I guess if you're like, I don't know, worried about doing Uber rides, that's probably a good thing. If you, I don't know, if you got kids, he's trying to get out of the bike, like, it won't cooperate. So we're gonna show you that dash cam. We'll show you the features of that dash cam, and there'll be a link in the description below if you wanna buy one of these. They're only like 150 bucks. Somewhere around there. Pretty reasonable. You just
Box is stupid.
I kind of like that box. Anyway, let's show you the dash cam. Oh, and by the way, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We do appreciate that. All right, YouTube, so here's what comes in the box. We have a...
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
I'll take the box! The box! You take the box! Let's see what's in the box!
We have a dash cam, go figure, and it comes with an SD card, and...
I already put it in there. It doesn't come installed. I got ahead of myself.
It's a 64 gigabit chip, which is actually gigabyte. Sorry, 64 gigabyte chip. That's really pretty legit. And then we have the interior camera, which you see can move. Ooh, yeah, that's spiffy.
Looks like it plugs in.
It plugs in on the side. Oh, yeah, that's super complicated there. Wow, good job. Congratulations.
And it looks like it has a screen too.
Yeah, it does. It's got a little screen. And then we have, we have a rear camera too. So that's all pretty solid. And then of course we have the power adapter. One thing that's interesting is this one, it looks like you actually install this little piece of film on the windshield first and then stick the camera to the film. I think the theory is maybe this helps it stick to the windshield better because glass sometimes is kind of a little bit tricky to get stuff to stick to. So we'll see. Anyway, we're gonna get it all rigged up, plugged into the car, and then we're gonna go take it out and test it.
This. So this kit only comes with a cigarette lighter power adapter. It doesn't come with a hard wire.
I don't think we do.
It has a little USB adapter.
Oh, nice.
On there.
So you can still charge something else.
Yeah.
That's handy.
So that's nifty.
I mean, look, for how inexpensive this kit was, I'm really shocked.
Yeah.
I guess the question remains, how's the quality?
Yeah.
And there's two things we want to answer. One is, how's the quality of the recording? And two is, will it survive a Texas summer?
Yeah.
We'll find out. That we won't know, obviously, for a few months.
Yeah.
We'll let you know.
We'll report back.
Yeah,
but the initial impressions are good.
Yeah, so far we've been very pleased with it because this is, again...
It feels solid. Like, it doesn't feel cheap or anything like that.
Yeah. No,
like, even this one, even though it's just a plug-in... Like, it has, like, a little, like, so that it clips in, so it doesn't, like...
So it's not vibrating?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate when dash cams are all bouncing around and chattering.
Yeah.
Well, let's get it up there and
yeah,
let's see how it goes. All right, so you can see right there is the film, and he's sticking the dash cam right on it. Push. There it is. I can actually see it, like, gluing to it as you do that.
Interesting.
Wow, that was super hard. Mo's helping us out with the install. Momo, are you helping?
No, he's getting in the way.
It's like, I'm just gonna get in the way. So I was just reading instructions, and apparently this camera is actually meant to go on the outside of the car, basically as like a license plate camera or a rear view camera, not as like a rear window camera. But
which would kind of make sense because this thing is very beefy.
yeah, it's a stout camera, and the wiring is like legit.
Yeah.
Like, it is some thick wiring. So,
And this is like weatherproofed,
yeah.
a weatherproof connector.
So, well, we're not doing that. We're installing the inside, but you could do that if you wanted. Clearly, it's designed for it. So that's actually kind of cool to know. It's always a little tricky because then you have to have a wire get from the inside of the car to the outside of the car, which is always a little bit fun. And then run it, like, run wires underneath the car. That's why it also has a ridiculous, look at this length of the wire it comes with. Holy crap.
Oh yeah, she long. That's what
like-
she said.
Gonna go to the back of a pickup truck. Holy cow. Ah, the joys of tucking wires into trim.
I hate it.
I know, it's always annoying. Gotta like pry the trim open, jam wires in places and stuff. It's always fun. Wah, wah.
I don't know where I'm gonna put all this extra cable. If it was too short, I would definitely be complaining that it was too short. So they're really in a no-win situation here, let's
No.
be honest.
Unless they did like lots of sections, but then you'd have a bunch of little connectors to deal with.
And then that would be potential failure points.
Oh, it definitely.
And it would be way more expensive, like
Yeah.
manufacturing process. I'm just gonna go the ghetto route because it's a reasonably priced camera and a reasonably priced car.
a reasonably priced solution.
Yes. Reasonably priced solution.
Mo, you're not helping.
So, like we were saying, this kit only comes with the cigarette lighter adapter, but that's actually okay in this car because Hyundai uses those stupidly small micro fuses, and I haven't been able to find a fuse tap for the super small ones. Because there's the normal size ones, then there's a little bit smaller ones, and then this one is like
The ridiculously
micro.
tiny ones.
Yeah. Thankfully, her car has 2 cigarette lighters because she also has the radar detector plugged in the cigarette light adapter for the same reason.
Oh yeah. Where is the other one?
Here,
Oh. Oh yeah.
let's
Alright.
witness the first power up.
Ooh, power up.
Oh, we have lights.
Ooh. Ooh, English. Okay.
Wow, it shows the rear and
Wow, dude. Yeah, it shows both the rears.
all 3, and it's recording.
Dude.
You can see my mustache pretty well in that.
Dude.
You can see my mustache pretty well in that.
It's all set.
Shall we go for a drive to get some footage?
Yeah, I think we need to go get some footage.
I mean, it's not fast, but it's not slow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not bad. No, I mean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not bad. No, I mean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not bad. No, I mean.
Let's see how this camera looks.
Yeah. I won't pull up right now.
Well, YouTube, so we just watched the footage. The video quality is legit. It's
For $150, 3 channel, it's more than acceptable.
yeah, it's more than enough. It's an assault. So like, our whole thing about dash cams is protect yourself, protect your car, protect your investment because people suck and they crash into you and then bail or some dumb thing like that happens and next thing you know you're having to go to your insurance. And as Adam said, when he was an insurance adjuster and someone would get into a situation, also they'd be like, hey, I've got dash cam footage. You're like, heck yeah, give me that.
Yeah.
For $150, that's going to be cheaper than most of your deductibles. So right there, one time, it could save the cost of the camera. But anyway, video quality is really quite good.
Yes.
Especially for 3 channels, very good.
2 thumbs up on the video quality.
Yeah, very good. Audio is
2 thumbs down.
terrible. Audio is, granted, most dash cams have pretty poor audio, but this is like,
Exceptionally poor.
this is very bad. But other than that,
You can hear what people are
Yeah.
saying,
but
you'll
it's
hear it in a minute. But
it's overgained.
Yeah, and it's yeah, overgained, and the mount rattles. You'll hear some chatter, but we didn't hear that in the car while we were driving.
No, you can't hear the mount make any noise, but in the video, the mount's vibrating a little bit.
So if you're worried about hearing that chatter, you won't hear it. Maybe if you're in a Bentley or something that's like super quiet.
Yeah, right. Like, oh, I heard a mouse fart.
Yeah, but in a regular car, no.
So I mean, honestly, for reasonably priced dash cam for a reasonably priced car, perfect. This is exactly what you need. So
It's good enough for any car.
it really is. Yeah. Okay. Well, it is. It is. But I mean, we've done other dash cams, and there are definitely better models out there that have better video quality, better audio quality, better mounts, and whatever. But
features as well.
But they also cost a lot more.
The thing we'll want to see though is how well it holds up, because we know Blackview cameras hold up to Texas heat.
Yep. So we'll do a follow-up video in a couple months once it's like July.
Yeah.
And it's 105 out, and we'll let you know if the thing's still holding up. So there you have it.
No complaints.
All right, guys. Again, if you want to buy one of these dash cams, link in the description below, or you can go to normalguysupercar.com, check out the dash cam section, and you can actually use the code NGS10 on these cameras because, yes, we are hooking you up. That's going to do it for this video. So obviously, we're going to be doing lots of cool car stuff. So you should probably like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned because
it's going to be reasonably priced.